Good morning everyone, I'm Dani702 and today we are heading to the Contemporary Resort to go up to the 15th floor and eat dinner at the California Grill. The Contemporary is the closest hotel to the Magic Kingdom. The monorail does go through the resort, which is really cool, but Magic Kingdom is within walking distance. So let's head on inside and eat some yummy food. Bye-bye! That's so cool that it goes through the hotel. Oh man, I can't wait to come back and actually take a look around. So we're up at the California Grill. They open at 5 and it's 5:05 right now, so that's why it's looking really empty. Here's a quick look at the grill. Looks like it's semi-open. It's a big size restaurant. Looks like it wraps around even further. Check out our view. So we're on the 15th floor. There's the Polynesian. There's the Grand Floridian, Bay Lake, and there's Magic Kingdom, Cinderella's Castle, straight ahead, Space Mountain, and this is basically right across the street is the front entrance to the Magic Kingdom. Really cool. Here's a quick look at the menu, and it looks like they have pizzas from a wood-burning oven, and hand-rolled sushis, soup salad, appetizers, and then their entrees. Everything sounds amazing. The way our waitress explained everything, like I don't know what to choose. As far as the entrees go, they range, I want to say, on average in the $45-50 price range. The hand-rolled sushi is a bit cheaper, like $25-30. This is the first thing that they brought out to us, and it's a tomato, olive oil. I think she said there's a little bit of sea salt in there.
Nice and warm.
And there's also a sourdough bread. Eddie says it's warm. Yeah. As an appetizer, we got sushi. I believe it's called the spicy kazan. But it looks like there is crab, maybe some salmon in there, and it has some kind of a spicy mayo sauce in it as well. That was amazing. That was really spicy. What do you think?
That was delicious. Scallops are super tender. They weren't all like rubbery and stuff. Yeah, and that sauce is delicious.
Here's the salad we got. It's hard to see because of the lighting.
We've got candied
pecan and peaches. And it also has panko breaded goat cheese in there. And then this was a ravioli dish, and it comes with one singular ravioli. But the broth is supposed to be amazing too. Alright, we're gonna try this ravioli. Wow. Yeah. That is incredibly flavorful. Very cheesy. If you like cheese, you will like this ravioli. And here are our entrees. Eddie got the blackened grouper, which is some kind of a fish. I did get the filet of beef, and it came with a side of Burbank potatoes, which is where I'm from, Burbank. And then my mother got the scallop and lobster, so basically surf and surf. Everything looks amazing. Yum! Alright. You may now eat. Yeah, that's excellent. Perfect, tender, great. Walking out, here's the bar and the rest of the restaurant. This is where you enter the restaurant, so it's on the 15th floor, and they greet you right here at the front. You will check in at the desk on the 2nd floor. We just left the California Grill and it was a super yummy. Now I think my favorite thing is gonna be the spicy sushi. It was very spicy though. My mom really enjoyed her entree, which was the lobster and scallops entree. Eddie, what would you say yours favorite?
I really like that salad.
The salad?
Yeah, with those it's like a goat cheese, panko crusts on it, and it wasn't like too goat cheesy, if you know what I mean. Like, but it was still really good.
Yeah, as soon as you would bite into it, it just like burst. It was very flavorful, really good.
Yeah,
definitely. Definitely thumbs up for the California Grill. Another bonus that you get for coming to the California Grill, no matter what time you come for dinner, you will also get access to their balcony for the fireworks. So in just a moment, we will be up there on the fireworks.
Next level. Next level.
Some people are worth melting for.
Next level.
Amazing. The California Grill was so good. The food was excellent. The service was spot on. Our server, her name was Wendy, and she was great. Amazing, amazing view. And I love that you get to come back for those fireworks. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Now please subscribe for more adventures. My Patreon and my Instagram will be in the description box below. Take time to explore your town, and we'll see you next time.